Hi everyone, welcome back to Thanh and Hair. I'm Alice, and today I want to share something simple yet powerful when it comes to hair care: rice water. It's been getting a lot of attention lately, but did you know it's actually a traditional beauty secret that's been used across Asia for centuries? As someone who grew up eating rice every day, I was really curious when I learned that something so familiar could help with hair health too. Especially if you have dry, damaged, or color-treated hair, rice water might just be the DIY solution you've been looking for. It strengthens your hair from root to tip, helps reduce breakage, makes it shinier, and even detangles it better. By lowering friction between hair strands and sealing the cuticles, it can leave your hair smoother and easier to manage. And if you're trying to grow your hair longer, rice water is believed to support hair growth too. So how do you make it and use it? Good news, it's super easy and you can use any type of rice you have at home. White, brown, jasmine, even wild rice. Take about half a cup of uncooked rice and rinse it once to get rid of impurities. Then add 2 to 3 cups of clean water and let it soak for about 30 minutes. If you've got more time, you can let it ferment for 24 to 48 hours. That makes the nutrients even more potent, but even a quick 30-minute soak can work well. Once it's done soaking, strain the rice water into a clean bowl. Now it's ready to use. Bring it with you into the shower. First, wash your hair as usual with shampoo. After your hair is clean, start pouring the rice water slowly over your scalp and hair, making sure it touches every strand. I like to use a small cup to pour it bit by bit. It helps control the mess. If certain parts of your hair are more damaged, like dry ends or thinning areas, you can concentrate the rice water there. Gently massage your scalp with your fingers. That's also a great way to promote hair growth. Let the rice water sit in your hair for about 20 minutes. During that time, I usually take care of the rest of my shower routine: washing, shaving, exfoliating. You know the drill. After that, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. This step is important because if you leave too much rice water, which is high in protein, it can dry your hair out instead of helping. To finish off, apply your regular conditioner and rinse again with cool water to lock in moisture. Even while my hair is still wet, I can already feel how soft and smooth it is. Instead of using a regular towel, I prefer drying my hair with a microfiber towel or an old t-shirt. It's way gentler and helps reduce breakage. Also, try to avoid wrapping your hair in a tight towel turban. This can also cause damage over time. I let my hair air dry, and I wait until it's almost dry before brushing. With all these steps combined, my hair ends up looking and feeling stronger, shinier, and just healthier overall. How often should you use rice water? Personally, once a week works perfectly for my hair, but depending on your hair type, whether it's oily or super dry, you might want to use it 2 to 3 times a week. Some people even use it daily. If your hair tends to be dry, stick to 1 to 2 times per week. If it's more on the oily side, you can use it more often. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Thanh and Hair for more hair tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you've tried rice water before, or if you're planning to start. See you in the next one.